For almost a century, CHOPIN Technologies has focused on providing the cereal industry with quality control tools and methods. Wheat breeding, grain storage, milling, and baking industries use the Alveograph on a daily basis to measure the visco-elastic properties of wheat flours. It is internationally recognized as the essential and standard tool for testing and classifying wheats in accordance with their future use, detecting insect damage in wheat, defining and optimizing wheat and flour blends, selecting the most suitable additives to improve final product quality, verifying product conformity to customers' specifications. An Alveograph test involves measuring the deformation of a dough bubble caused by a specific pressure generated using air. This dough extension method simulates the deformation the dough undergoes during fermentation due to the pressure generated by carbon dioxide. The Alveograph can be used to analyze all types of wheat, soft, hard, and durum. It provides 4 key measurements. P value represents dough tenacity, in other words, its capacity to resist deformation. L value corresponds to the maximum amount of air the bubble is able to contain and represents dough extensibility. IE value corresponds to the elasticity index. And finally, W value indicates dough baking strength. The Alveograph, invented in 1920 by Marcel Chopin, became an industry standard tool during the 1970s and has been subject to constant development and evolution. The CHOPIN Alveolab represents the fruit of over 80 years of experience and today benefits from a number of highly significant innovations that make tests easier to carry out and more precise. Some examples of these innovations are automatic pump calibration, automatic water injection, new accessories such as resting plates and a dough cutter to better control the preparation of dough pieces, automatic positioning and swelling of dough pieces in a humidity and temperature-controlled compartment, the inverted bubble, which is more spherical and closer to the ideal test conditions. The dedicated control software also represents a significant innovation. Straightforward, comprehensive, and intuitive, it permits test results to be more comprehensively analyzed. Additional parameters such as first derivative, stress-strain parameters, and mixing consistency are now available. A new feature for optimizing wheat and flour blends has also been introduced. Finally, the Improver's Guide helps the user to choose the most suitable additive to reach specific target Alveograph values. Additionally, customized testing protocols can be developed by varying, for example, the intensity and duration of mixing. Using the Alveolab, it's now possible to increase the number of tests carried out daily, thus optimizing the return on investment. Made in France, the Alveograph has a customer base in over 90 countries. All across the world, technicians are available to train users, carry out maintenance and support equipment, and provide a rapid response to ensure quality analysis. Find us at www.chopin.fr. With CHOPIN Technologies, keep control.